guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a Hot Wheels Flames 5-pack. So yeah, I just got this 5-pack today. It is a Hot Wheels Flames 5-pack. We can see it says Hot Wheels Flames on here with the flame logo on there. Pretty cool. And on the side of it has a nice flame on it. Pretty cool. And then on the back, it just shows one of the cars and all the names here. So you can read all the names on the back here. So it's pretty cool. And here are all the cars on the front. So alright, let's open this. First we gotta figure out where we're gonna open it. So let's open it from this side. Ooh. It'll take a little bit, so ooh. Just use my fingers. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. You guys, I used my fingers to open a Hot Wheels 5-pack. Oh, there we go. We got the box. Yay. I'm sorry. Alright, here are all the cars. I am just excited to open these. I can't wait to smell them. Ooh. Let's pick, let's see. First car we got. Okay, let me guess. This is the... Alright, I'm gonna guess all these cars. Okay, this is the 1971 Willys. I already know, right? Okay, here with the... 1941 Willys. Or is it 1941 Willys? So that's the first car. Let's take a look at the Willys. It's pretty smooth. Yeah, I like it. Let's put it on here. So guys, if we take a look at this car, it's got a very nice kind of pearlish black with a nice little chrome engine sticking out. The car looks very classy. I remember seeing this car in real life. I remember, which was pretty cool. It also has some nice white flames on it. Of course, it's from Hot Wheels Flames. It also has a nice chrome interior. Take a look at the inside. It has a chrome interior. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It also has two windows that are kind of like separate. They're kind of just not like connected. They're just kind of separate. It also has some nice, it also has some nice wheels. It's got this kind of like white. It's got white tires with a white ring around the rim. So this looks pretty cool. The tires are white. It's like all the tires is just made out of white. It's just black and white. It just looks so nice. Look at that. I do actually have two of these cars, which is actually over there. I actually have two of these, like a blue one. It's over there somewhere. I know it's over there somewhere. It's not in my shoe. But anyways, here's the first car, the Willys. Alright, next car we got. This is I think this is like the 1969 Hemi Barracuda. Oh, 1968. 1968 Hemi Barracuda. I got the Hemi Barracuda, but not the year. But still, guys, we got the 1968 Hemi Barracuda Plymouth. So if you guys are wondering, this car is a Plymouth. It is not like any other car. So this car is pretty cool. I really love, I love purple. It's got this very nice sprinkly purple, and it's got like the two kind of rectangles at the front of the car. It has like a little scratch on the front of it, which is kind of really weird. It's got the little engine kind of room here, kind of pops out, sticks out, where all the air kind of comes out from the engine. It's got very nice beige interior. Take a look at the interior. Pretty nice. It's got 4 seats. It also has some nice golden chrome rims. That golden chrome. Look at that. It also has a very nice kind of yellowish, greenish kind of flames on the car. Take a look on the side. It's got kind of white or I don't know. Pretty cool car, guys. Look at it. Even the back kind of has a little chrome on it, and the front does have some chrome on it. Pretty cool car. So yeah, guys, this is pretty smooth. We got 2 cars. Next, this is the 1969 Camaro convertible. Oh, 1969 Camaro, not convertible. So, yeah, 1969 Camaro. I was kind of right. Alright, let's take a look at this car. It's very small. It's got a nice pearl white. The rims have like kind of a gold chrome kind of on it, like a rings, nice little golden rings on it. The flames kind of have a golden outline with a very nice kind of orange, kind of yellowish gold. The interior of the car is beige, like the car we just saw. Pretty cool Camaro. I do like it. It also has like a little like kind of, take a look there. It's got a little tiny tampo on there, but still it's pretty small car. But I really like it. Pretty nice. Let's take a little look at it. So let's see how it drives. Pretty smooth. Let's put it right here, where all of our other cars are. And then after the next car is the 1969 Charger 500. Dodge Charger 500. So a 1969 Dodge Charger 500. I got it right. So I actually have another one of this car, but it's here somewhere. I do have it. It is. I have it somewhere on this board. I don't know where it is. Maybe it's on this side. I don't know. But all I know is I do actually have another version of this car. But all I know is this car got a pretty nice pearlish red with some nice yellow and orange flames going on. Some nice chrome rims. Instead of the old one having kind of a gold ring around it. But anyway, still a pretty cool car. I like just how like long and big it is. It's like kind of tall too than the other cars. But still, it's a pretty nice car. Take a look. Wow. Look at the chrome. Chrome's pretty nice. And also on the back too. Chrome is nice too. Let's throw it here. Last car. 1969 Ford Falcon XB. 1973 Ford Falcon XB. So I kind of got it right, but still. Okay, I actually do have this car. One sec, guys. Why do I not have this car up on the board? Like, I have another one like this. So this car's got a nice, like, cyan color on it. It's kind of blue, pearl kind of color. Like, the same color as this thing here. It's got some pretty nice blue, dark blue flames with a nice outline around the flames. It also has two little breathers on the front of the car, which all the steam or, like, smoke will go out. It also has some nice blue chrome rings around the rims, which is pretty nice. Take a look at the back bumper. It's got a pretty nice chrome. Look at got so much chrome on these cars. My God, the front of it is just all chrome on the front bumper. Pretty cool. It's got a black interior like this car still, but still it's a pretty nice car. I like it. Take a look at it and just but wait, let's see. This car's pretty smooth actually. It can go side by side. Pretty nice. Put it here and hold up one sec. I have to do this. Every video we have to put the cars like this. Alright guys, we did it. So one sec. Let's just stick it in there. So get in there. Okay, let's just Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Zamir Gaming 101, which is my other channel, my gaming channel. If you want to check it out, it's in the description. You do not have to check it out. It's your choice if you want to check it. So, I hope you have a good day. Subscribe to this channel, like the video. And also guys, there is a new kind of like animation for the like button. So when you press it, only for mobile, only if you're on a phone or an iPad, you'll have when you press the like button, there'll be a little animation where it's pretty cool. You should probably try it. So go find out for yourself, click the like button, see the little animation. If you're on mobile or phone, computer doesn't work. So I hope you have a good day, and yeah, bye.